Hi, in this video I will unbox the Google Chromecast 3rd generation. So this is the 3rd generation of the Chromecast. Now on the box here there is a plastic cover that we can break it off. And I'll just open all that here. Now this Google Chromecast 3rd generation supports 1080 pixels HD support, and it's still using the old HDMI plug. You can set up with Google Home app, and you have over 1000 apps that you can use to stream to the Chromecast. So we push it up. I think you just have to pull it out from the bottom here. So we just have to pull it out like so. So this one is an outside case. We can just pull out the box, and then here we can lift up the box like so. And there it is. It's quite small, smaller than the older one. So you can see how much it fit into my hand. Now Google claimed this is around 15 to 25% faster. When testing, it appears this one is 25% faster than the 2nd generation, and it is slightly smaller. So this one here meant to have a better hardware, and that's it. That's the Chromecast 3rd generation. It comes in plain color with a G logo right here. That's it. So there's nothing else on here. At the back here, so you've got some information at the back here. Says the indoor use only, HDMI. So there is a reset button down here that you can press to reset the device, and a charging port right here, and there is also a light indicator right here as well. So let's see what else is underneath. So you've got the power adapter. So the output for this power adapter is 1 amp. Then there's a box right here. In this box there is a USB cable. So this is to power the device. And you got the let's get started instruction, and you got the safety and warranty as well down here. So this one here quickly show you how to connect the device. So by using the power adapter, we plug into the wall and then connect it to the Google Chromecast. So that plug into the power adapter, and this part here connect to this Google Chromecast, and then you can plug that into the TV, and then on your mobile phone you can download the Google Home app, start setting it up, and that's it. That's quite straightforward, and that is everything inside the box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.